Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Tony Holowitz and I want to explain to you how our cloud hosting works. So I'm a partner with KEYSTROKE and we offer cloud hosting services. But let me create a common scenario for you for a lot of our clients. You might have an office where you have Act on different computers, but you also have a server in your office. So that server is where all your Act data resides. And the computers in your office are networked into that computer, and they're actually taking the data, the Act database on that computer, and working with it. In most cases, the actual data does not reside on these individual computers. It's only on the server. So sometimes that becomes difficult to work with for a lot of reasons. One, if you have a computer crash or if your server runs into issues, it can be expensive to replace or maintain, and also there can be costly IT support. So an alternative to that is allowing us to be your hosted server in the cloud. So the way this works is this. When you work with us in the cloud, we professionally manage it and it's reasonably priced, only $120 per person. So in a nutshell, all your data is in the cloud. Let me describe to you how this works. So if you decide you want to work with us, let me describe it just as a one-on-one scenario, one user, just to simplify this. We ask you to take a copy of your Act database and upload it to us, and we'll show you how that works. Next, until we give you back what's called a remote database, which is an exact copy of what you gave us, we're going to ask you to treat your database as a Rolodex. You can continue to work in it, just don't enter data. When we send you that exact copy or remote database, and the slang we use for that is RDB, you're going to just open that RDB and start using it. Now there's some configuration that needs to go on in the back and we can help you with that. So that remote database synchronizes with our cloud server. So as you make changes, it goes up to the cloud and then it comes back down to you. So it's always going to be synchronized. And where that comes into play is when you have two computers. Let's say you have a desktop and you have a laptop computer. Now your data stays in sync on both. And that's really great. So if you need help with this, getting it set up, we do offer onboarding paid support options, not a problem. So if you have questions about any of this, please reach out to me and I can help you with this and get you going. My name is Tony Holowitz. Thank you very much. Have a great day.